Oh, ito na ang aming hinihintay. Yeah, yung aming jeep. Ito na. 14. Mga chuy, mga chay. Good morning internet. Good morning viewers. Day 3 dito sa Milk River, Alberta. Yung aming inihintay, hindi namin alam kung kailan darating. Wala. Pero at least bayad kami habang naghihintay ngayon dito. Of course, kailangan nila kami bayaran. Hindi pwedeng hindi nila kami babayaran sa aming waiting time or ano ba tawag doon. Basta, babayaran to. Ngayon, dahil pan day 3 na namin ni Wayne, itong isang truck driver na kasama ko, hindi mahirap na walang ligo. Mahirap pag walang shower yung area. Tinawagan ko yung gas station doon. Pilipino yung nagbabantay, Ilocano. Sabi niya wala daw silang shower. Pero itong car wash na nandito sa likod, meron daw silang shower. Sabi niya, libre daw. So kaya ngayon, pupuntahan ko para mapag-shower ako. Dahil mahirap, matigas na yung aking buhok. So kailangan kong magtanong, magbabayad ako kung kailangan magbayad. Kailangan ko lang talaga maka-shower. Kasi baka anytime darating yung aming hinihintay, tapos wala pa kaming shower, mahirap na. Wayne, they told me that there's a shower this area. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They say it's free. But I'm gonna ask them. Yeah.
Hello, Kitty boy. Kitty people go for breakfast over here.
Where? Oh, Subway?
Yeah.
I'm done. I got my bread there.
Okay.
I'm good. Look at this. Get. May dalawa siyang maliliit na aso eh. Kasing liit niya din. So, tatanong ako dito sa shower. Oh, dito sa truck wash if meron nga. Bukas na sila eh. May basurahan pala dito. Let's recycle area. May basurahan. Holy smoke, pumunta pa ako dun sa gas store para magtapon ng basurahan. Tapon ng basurahan. Oh, meron pala. That's good. Siyempre, walang bayad ang magtalong, di ba? May shower sila, di may shower. That's good. Pwede kayang queue line dito 6 AM to 10 PM 7 days a week. Pwedeng truck dito. Tatanong ko kung merong si queue line. Meron silang tawag dito. May access queue line dito. Asan ang opisina dito? Cars and pickups only. Ito clearance. Saan ang opisina, man? Their code. Sabi daw meron. Saan meron yan? Driveway door will open. 10 feet ang clearance. Wala. Oh, false alarm yung binigay sa akin. Ayoko ng ganyan. Bibigay ng maling informasyon. Holy talaga. Ligo pa naman ako. Pero wala kang makitang opisina eh. Pero walang tao. May mga code sila. Sabi daw sa wala. Sa taas daw, nung sabi ng lalaki. Meron sila sa taas. Alin taas dito? Wala naman to second floor. Buisit na yan. Kalukuhan lang yung sinasabi nung ito, hindi na pa piniwalaan itong mga demonyo na to eh. Oh, may charging pala ng Tesla dyan oh. Saan yung sinasabi niyang ano? Ay, Diyos ko. Wala, sabi niya sa taas daw. Meron daw shower sa taas. Wala naman taas dito. Ay. Exit na to eh. A bathroom. Bathroom, printer, office. Uy, yawa. Change. Ito. Uy. Office. May opisina. Hey there. You guys have a shower?
Yeah, we do.
How much?
We don't charge. It's for truck drivers.
For truck drivers? And I just want to ask, Q-Line we have an account here? Q-Line.
Q-Line?
Q-Line tracking, so I can wash my truck.
I don't think so. Q-Line, I don't.
Q-Line. This is your business, sir?
Yeah.
No.
No, nothing in Q-Line.
No? There's no Q-Line?
No, nothing.
Oh, okay. So, can I get a shower?
Go ahead.
Where is it, sir? Here? Okay, thank you. Libre nga, legit. Okay, here's this one. Legit, guys, may shower. Ayaw niya magbabayad. And that's good. Pagtsagaan ko na to. Gusto niyo manood na, no? Magsha-shower ako dito. Careless Whisper. Ha? Careless Whisper. Diba, mahirap. Sasabihin niyo, pabalik-balik yung aking t-shirt, ha? Marami akong black na t-shirt. Actually, ay mo sige ka lang pag kay black po ng t-shirt. Yan, black po nga, black. Yan na, gugso to black. Okay, anyway. So, shower mo ako. So, kung makikita kayo na nagsusuot ako ng the same, okay? Ito yung bagong laba. Ito, sinuot ko na. Okay? Hindi yan pabalik-balik mga chuy. Mahilig ako sa mga dark colors na t-shirt. Yung wala masyadong printa. But may mga printa akong t-shirt. Pero mas mahilig ako sa dark colors. Marami ako yan. Yeah, so thankful na meron free shower. ka na malinis yung room dahil free na nga siya eh, di ba? Merong map sa labas eh. Sir, thank you so much. I already cleaned it. Thank you. There you go. Feeling fresh. Thank you dito sa truck stop. Truck wash. Nakunan ko siya ng drone shots kahapon nung magpalipad ako ng drone. Ito yun. So ibabalik ulit dyan sa aking screen, sa inyong screen. Ito yung truck wash na to na may tawag dito, shower na libre. Feeling fresh. Kung hindi man darating ngayon ang panahon na para sa amin, so kung hindi man darating ngayon yung aming hinihintay, then tutulog, bawi ng puyat. Pero sarap sana mag-washing dahil ang luwag kasyang kasya dito ang ang load. Ang size 15 feet high. Hindi kasya. 15 ang height 15 feet yung wide. 15.2 kami sabit ng 2 inches. Ayun, may nagcha-charge na kanilang Tesla. Sana all may Tesla. Wow. Looks like mga Pilipino. Para sa iyo, huwag maiinip dahil ganyan ang buhay sa mundo. Huwag mawawalan ng pag-asa, darating din ang ligaya. Ang isipin mong may bukas pa na mayroong saya. Gabi Dwayne! Free!
Yes, we're gonna have Jeeps in them by morning.
When? Tomorrow?
Yeah, Les is bringing them down out of Hutchinson today. Could be here tonight or tomorrow morning for sure. So.
Yeah, that's what Trevor told me, but I don't know when. That Trevor told me about the Jeep yesterday, but I don't know when it will come. Maybe tonight?
He should be here tonight or by tomorrow morning. Yeah.
Okay, why it takes so long? It's just...
Well, he's probably got to get to Hutchinson, get them loaded. Come down here yet.
So we're gonna stay another one day.
Another night anyway, yeah.
So Thursday tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna fuck. Anyway, yeah.
Yeah, I know. Fuck. But
yeah.
That's at least we're not stuck here for fucking 2 weeks.
No way. Yeah, if you wanna get a shower, it's free for truck drivers. You just go in the middle of two big buildings there.
Okay.
There's an office.
Yeah.
It's free for truckers.
Okay.
It's
pretty decent shower.
Huh?
Pretty decent.
Oh yeah, it's clean.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's clean. It's
Take your own towel though, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. Bring your own towel.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Kabigo ay... Yeah, hinihintay namin ang jeep, mga choy. Sa aming trailer, yun ang ikakabit dito sa likod. So isang extra na gulong, isang extra na axle. Jeep. So walang magagawa today kundi stand by for a final docking maneuver. Sarap sana maglaba kung mayroon pang meron pang tawag dito laundry. Lalabas sana ako, pero ang masarap ngayon dahil malamig, magluto ng noodles. noodles na pansit canton, tapos meron akong tawag dito, boiled egg. Ang oras ngayon ay alas 3 na yata ng hapon. Dito pa rin kami sa parking. Merong bagyo. Kita nyo, umuugoy yung aking sasakyan sa lakas ng hangin. So meron na namang nagaganap na snow somewhere in Saskatchewan ngayon. Mainit na, pero meron pa ring snow na sumisingit sa probinsya ng Saskatchewan. Mamayang 8 o'clock dito, lakas ng ulan. Buti na lang ulan kasi warm na dito, so hindi na makapenetrate yung snow. So ulan yung ibabagsak niya dito sa aming area around 8 p.m. Kanina pa natutulog ako sa likod. Ang lakas talagang umuugoy yung aking truck sa lakas ng hangin. Yan o, kita nyo. Kaninang tanghali talagang akala ko may umaakyat dito sa truck na ginaganyan ako. So chinek ko yung aking map. Oh man, kung nagkataon na ngayon ay malamig pa, yung papasok mamayang 8 o'clock na ulan, that would be a big snow. But dahil warm siya, tubig yung ibabagsak niya mamaya. Oh, ito na ang aming hinihintay. Yeah, yung aming jeep. Ito na, 1492. Pero paano may baba yung 1492 ngayon? Umuulan. Yes sir, nandyan ang jeep. Uy, umutot pa ako, sorry. Okay. Eto na ang aming jeep. Les! Let me see you for a long time.
Yeah. I thought you left us.
No, man. So what time you leave in Atchison? You pick up that Atchison?
Yeah, I had one with me. I took combine to Dawson Creek, stopped at Atchison, picked up the other one. I load him.
So how can we load that one tomorrow?
No, he's going to pick it off with something by himself today.
How?
No, both of them are here.
Dwayne, there we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, ito yung aming hinihintay na dumating. 18,300. 18,830. You are 18,006, right?
Yeah. On a diet.
All right. Yeah. So at least dumating na yung aming hinihintay. Ito yung isasalpak dun sa extended para mag-balance yung aming weight. So ngayon, pag naisalpak namin to, magsusukat na naman kami ng aming from there sa drive hanggang dito. Nice, pero bukas na to man-load. Walang forklift eh na unload ito. Kami guys.
Got a gauge and a scale here.
Okay.
We'll be able to guesstimate it pretty close anyway.
So what is the weight for the one? The maximum weight for the one for the Jeep? 5,000?
The Jeep, you can go.
We got lots of room on our fucking Trident back here for weight to be moved back.
Yeah.
You know how to weigh the one less? Like in the Catskill? How to weigh the one if you have
How to
Jeep?
split weight?
Split weight. You know how to do it?
I got an idea, but I think we're going to run across a government scale
yeah.
down here.
Make it easier.
But
Yeah.
yeah, if you're in the Catskill, how do you split that one?
Well, what I do is I go on the truck. Just the truck.
Just the truck,
Just the truck.
the steering,
Yeah.
and then
And then I pull all the way up until the Jeep, the truck and trailer's off. Or truck and the drives are off. The Jeep is on in the trailer.
oh, okay.
Oh, where did they come right now?
Oh, there you go. Oh, we're gonna unload now.
Right.
okay. Yeah. Unload pala ngayon. Nandyan yung forklift. Tulungan ko lang sila, guys. Dumating kanina yung lalaki na tumulong din sa amin na kinontrata ni Q-Line para tulungan kami sa pag-flip ng aming trailer. And sabi, bukas na lang ng umaga 7:30 kasi merong lakas ng ulan mamaya 8 o'clock in a few hours. Yeah, malakas ng hangin ngayon. Malamig na uli. Kanina sobrang init. Ang bilis nagbago ng panahon. Ngayon malamig na. Meron na namang ulan. Sabi ko na yan kanina dyan sa unahan lang. So tatapusin namin to bukas. And yun nga, susukatin ulit namin and then magtitimbang kami. And for sure, yung aming weight sa drives ma-distribute na dun sa jeep para makakuha kami ng permit sa Amerika hanggang sa Arizona.
Is this the last time I can see you in a while? Is it the truth that you'll be living tonight? We should take a walk then a swim in the sea. That will mean everything, yeah, everything to me. Can we get out of this one? Waiting and missing. I never thought you would leave me here. We can get out of this one. A tunnel of feelings, just like we got through everything else. But I see you, honey. This is in